Good morning, children. It is nice to be with you today. And today we are going to read an unseen passage. As you all know, in your paper you have 4 sections. One is reading section, then you have writing section, then you have grammar section, and after that you have literature section. So today we are going to deal with an unseen passage. In your exam, you get 2 passages to solve, and they are of 8 and 12 marks, as you all know. And the passage which I am going to read today, it can be of 8 marks in your paper. So, to start with, first of all, I must tell you the benefits of reading. Reading itself is a very good exercise, and you must read the books as it gives you solace of mind, soul, and spirit. Through reading, you can improve your concentration power. So, to start with, come on, look at the screen and be very careful. When I read the passage, your eyes should be on the screen. Read it with full concentration and let us enjoy the passage. And what does the passage say? The very title of the passage is Yoga for Health. The Indian Prime Minister is to be thanked that due to the steps and efforts taken by his government, the United Nations has declared 21st June every year as the International Day of Yoga. Yoga has been in practice in India for the last 5,000 years. India is thus the giver of yoga to the world. Doctors admit that there are immense health benefits of yoga. These benefits to human health are physical, mental, and psychological. Today's lifestyle has become very fast and tension-ridden. Almost all feel the stress on their minds and hearts as there is a great gap between what they want and what is available. So they have blood pressure, diabetes, and other respiratory problems due to pollution of the environment. Then there is the fear of adulteration in things being eaten. Yoga is a panacea for all the modern diseases as given above. Yoga practices for 20 to 30 minutes daily keep a man healthy and safe. That's why the government of many states have introduced yoga in schools. After reading the passage, come on children, let us deal with the difficult words given in the passage. Let us find out the meaning of the words. The first word which we find in the passage is tension-ridden. And what is the meaning of the word tension-ridden? Tension-ridden means full of tension. The second word which we find in the passage is respiratory. Respiratory means relating to breathing. And the third word is panacea. It means cure for every disease. After giving you the word meanings of these words, let us underline the important points which we find in the passage. And what are they? The very first line of the passage tells us that the government has decided to declare 21st June of every year as an International Day of Yoga. And you all know that on 21st June, we all assemble in the school and we do yoga together. Why do we do yoga? Because it is beneficial for us. It gives us benefits of not only of our physical benefit, it has mental and psychological benefits also. And so let us underline the point that 21st June has been of every year we celebrate as the International Day of Yoga. Then the next thing which we find in the passage is the doctors, they say and they admit that it gives us immense health benefits. They also say that these benefits not only human health, but the yoga also benefits physical, mental, and psychological health of a person. It makes us tension free. As you all know, that today we all are living in a world where there is stress on our mind, on our heart. And in this lockdown period, we all are in a different type of situation. Many people are feeling stressed. To remove this stress in such a situation which we are facing today, children, yoga is of great help. As the passage tells you that the yoga not only saves you physically, it saves you mentally and psychologically also. It helps in removing the blood pressure and diabetes and other respiratory problems. And now, why these problems are caused, children? The reason behind these problems is that today we live in a place where there is full of pollution. There is pollution of the environment. And the next thing which causes all these diseases, that there is adulteration in things which we eat. And because of all these problems, we face such diseases. But yoga is a boon for us. And the passage tells us that if we practice yoga for 20 to 30 minutes, that will keep us healthy and safe. So these are the points which we get from the passage. Now children, after discussing the word meanings of the passage and after underlining the important points of the passage, now I would like to give you few of the questions which you must solve in your notebook. Alright, first of all, the first question which I am giving you, please write it in your English classwork notebook. What does yoga offer to all of us? The first question is, what does yoga offer to all of us? Then the next question is, when do we celebrate the International Day of Yoga? When do we celebrate the International Day of Yoga? And the third question is, how do asanas help us? How do asanas help us? I hope you will be able to answer these questions. Read the passage once again and solve the questions which I have given you. I hope you must have enjoyed the passage, and not only you will read and write it in your copy, but you will make it a point to do yoga daily. For the passage tells us that if we practice yoga for 20 to 30 minutes, it's going to keep a man healthy and safe. And during this lockdown period, children, I feel this passage is really very beneficial for us. And you only have to not only have to solve the questions or to read the question, but you have to do yoga also at your place and try to do it for 20 to 30 minutes. And I hope and pray that it will help you even in your physical health, and it will keep you fit. I hope you will do it. And now children, when you do yoga, please write a diary entry also. When you do yoga at home, you will feel something and I would like you to write the diary entry that how you felt while doing yoga, and is it really beneficial for you. I hope you all will solve all these questions and will also write the diary entry related to your yoga exercises. Thank you children. God bless you.